Welcome back to this new video tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to use the combination of VLOOKUP and columns function in Microsoft Excel. We will combine this columns function with VLOOKUP to automate the column index number of VLOOKUP. First of all, let's understand the data. Here I have the invoice wise quantity purchase detail for different items. The item name are given in the V column and purchase invoice number are given in the row number 3. And here I have the data of quantity purchase. My requirement here is to fill this second table, which is in a different workbook, with the information of quantity sold for the item given here and for the purchase invoice number given here. To use columns function to automate the VLOOKUP, there is one requirement, that is the position of the column header should be same in both table. Like here in this table, the purchase number is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on, which should be same in the another table too. Like in the source data, it is 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. First of all, let's understand how does this columns function gives the index number. Let me use here the columns function. Press equal to type columns open parenthesis. In the array, let's select these two cells, close parenthesis. Now lock this B3 cell reference. For that, click between B and 3, then press the F4 key, which applies the dollar symbol. And here in the C3 reference, lock the row only. For that, apply the dollar symbol before row number 3. Press enter. If you drag the formula to right, then you will get the index numbers like 2, 3, 4, 5 to 12. So this can be combined in VLOOKUP, which will make the index number automatic. Now let's go to another sheet and start using the combined formula. Press equal to type VLOOKUP open parenthesis. In the lookup value, click on the item name, then lock this column B by pressing F4 key 3 times. Give a comma. In the table array, go to the source data sheet and select this entire table. Then the selected range will auto lock. Here you see. Now give a comma. Then we have to combine the columns function. For that, again go back to this sheet, then type here columns open parenthesis. In the array, let's select these two cells, then lock the B3 reference by clicking here, then press the F4 key. Then in the C3 reference, lock the row only by applying the dollar symbol before row number 3. Now close the column function, then give a comma. In the range lookup, select exact match by double clicking, close parenthesis, hit enter. Now you got the result. Simply drag this till the last invoice number, again drag this till the last item name, and here you see all the information of quantity sold is displayed here. So this is how we can use the combination of VLOOKUP and columns together to get data from one table to another. And this much for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in next tutorial.